Okay, this is all about solving expressions. In other words, replace a letter with the number given to you in the question and see what you come up for an answer. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Oh, right. All I'm going to do is write and the number where the letter is. So let's have a look at it. Negative 6x. But apparently x is 4. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, remember that's the x. Minus 3. Now there's a y and an a. What's y? It's negative 4. What's a? It's 1. Okay, so again, there's the y, there's the a. Again, all this question up here. Okay, and then minus a 2. The 2 doesn't have any letter with it, so that's it. So that's the problem I've got to do. Now it's just orders of operation. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, so let's have a look. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. Then, you don't really have to think of this as a subtraction. You can think of this as all one problem. Okay, right here. What's negative 3 times negative 4 times 1? Well, negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Times 1 is still positive 12. Okay, and then take away 2. So that's it. That's what I'm doing. So negative 24. Okay, so remember, look at this. Let's go back to some practice. Negative 4 add a 12, all right? Well, negative 4 plus the signs are different. I won't do negative 24. Add 12. I'll do 24. Take away 12, okay? It's like I've swapped these two over, all right? But remember, the answer is going to be negative. There are more negatives, okay? The sign in front of the bigger number is negative. But to do the math, what's 24 take away 12? It's 12, but the answer is going to be negative 12, all right? It's more negative. So that bit there, that there is negative 12. Where shall I put this? Negative 12. Take away another 2, okay, will give you negative 14. Again, the signs are the same. Add the numbers and keep the sign. So that's the answer right there. Sorry about all the mess, okay? But that's it. Remember, that's the numbers I got right there from doing all little multiplications. And then just do the adding and subtracting at the end. That's it. Oh, let's clear all this mess. There. Okay, so let's look at the next question. I'll just erase to there. I should have enough room. Okay, let's have a look. This is given like a little equation. What does A equal? What does A equal when B is 15 and H is 14 in a half BH? But I'm not going to write B, am I? I'm going to write 15. I'm not going to write H. I'm going to write 14. Okay, so that's it. Half times 15 times 14. Now, there's lots of different ways to do this. I've seen some students do, I tell you what, I'll do 15 times 14, and then I'll halve it. But you can do this. You can do what's half of 14, and then times it by the 15. You don't have to do it in that order. So I think I saw a lot of students doing this one. 15 times 14. Oh, great, what's that? That's why I don't like doing it this way. That's 22 to carry. That's 60. All right. And then 115 is 15. Is that 210? Is it? Okay, and then write what's half of 210. Okay, you get 105. All right, so that is the answer, 105. But watch, you can do it this way. What's a half times 14? That, to me, is easier than half times 15, because I know what half of 14 is. It's 7. All right, if that's 7... Okay, then finally multiply it by a 15, and you should get 105. It doesn't matter how you do it. There you go. And that's how you do it. Remember, replace a letter with a number and do it.